Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create an email template in Pipedrive. Templates save time and ensure consistency in your communication. So let's get started by following these few steps together. The first step is to access the email settings. Now to do that, you have to log into your Pipedrive account. And to do so, just go in your web browser, open a new tab and search for pipedrive.com. Pipedrive CRM. Click on the website and enter your account's credentials to log in. You can even use your Google account to log in. Now, once you're in the Pipedrive dashboard, go to the email tab in the sidebar. Here, it's the sales inbox right here, and create a new email right here. Now you can add the templates. You can choose the templates from here. You can insert fields. You can give your template a name such as follow-up email and compose your email using placeholders like first name for personalization. You can edit the fonts, you can edit the color, the etc. You can edit all these informations. Now for the third step is to save and use your template. Save the template to use it and open an email draft and select your template from the drop-down menu. It will be right here. You can save it as a draft. You can click on manage each template, and you can edit these things to like this one and save it in the end. And that's it. You created a reusable email template in Pipedrive. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.